In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust board visibility in Trello. Whether you're managing a team, working on a project, or simply organizing your tasks, Trello is a fantastic tool to keep everything in one place. But knowing how to control who can see and access your boards is essential for maintaining privacy, collaboration, and organization. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through how to adjust the visibility of your Trello boards, ensuring your information is shared with the right people and only the right people. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to www.trello.com. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner of your screen and you'll see an option to log in. Click on it. Now you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. You can either type in your email address and password or choose a single sign-on method, like signing in through Google or Microsoft, depending on what works best for you. Once you've entered your credentials, click the Login button to continue. If your account has multi-factor authentication enabled, you may be asked to complete an additional security step. This could be entering a code sent to your email or phone, for example. Follow the prompts to complete this step and ensure you're securely logged in. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Trello dashboard. Here you'll see all the boards and workspaces associated with your account. If you belong to multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one by navigating to it from the left-hand sidebar or the workspace drop-down menu at the top. Once you're in the right workspace, locate the board whose visibility you want to adjust. Click on it to open the board. Now, before we proceed, it's important to confirm that you are a board admin. Only admins have the ability to change a board's visibility settings. If you're unsure, you can check your role by clicking on the board members list and finding your name. If you're listed as an admin, you're good to go. With the board open, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an icon with 3 dots. This is the menu button. Click on it to expand the board's menu options. From the list that appears, select the option labeled Visibility. Once you've clicked on Visibility, you'll see the current visibility setting for your board, along with the available options you can choose from. Here's a quick rundown of those options so you can pick the one that's best suited for your needs. Private. This setting limits access to only the people you've explicitly added to the board. If you want to keep your board completely confidential, this is the option for you. Workspace. Choosing this option makes the board visible and editable to everyone who's a member of the current workspace. This is a great choice for team collaboration within your workspace. Organization. If you're using Trello as part of your company's enterprise workspace, this option allows everyone in your company's Trello organization to view the board. Keep in mind that this setting may not be available unless you're part of an enterprise plan. Public. Selecting this option makes your board visible to anyone on the internet, while only board members will have editing permissions. Anyone with the link to your board will be able to view it. This is a helpful option for sharing publicly available resources, but it's crucial to use this setting with caution. After reviewing the options, choose the visibility setting that best fits your needs by clicking on it. Trello may prompt you to confirm your selection, especially for settings that significantly change who can view your board. For example, if you select Public, Trello will display a warning explaining the implications of making your board visible to the internet. Take a moment to carefully read any warnings before proceeding. If you're comfortable with the change, go ahead and confirm your selection. And that's it. Your board's visibility is now updated. Remember, if your needs change, you can always revisit the same menu and adjust the visibility settings again in the future. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.